I lost $40 in less than 1 minute. As a forex trader, we learn by our mistake, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys with some lessons which I learned from this particular loss that I took. It's actually a huge one. Like losing $40 in in less than 1 minute is crazy. But we don't complain. As a forex trader, you don't complain. Rather, you learn from mistake and try to improve more. Understand? So right now, without saying much, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, I am Kokus FX, a forex trader. In this YouTube channel, I document my journey as a forex trader. I share my wins, lessons, and everything that have to do with me about my forex journey in this YouTube channel. So make sure do well to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, with that being done, I'm gonna be taking you guys to my trading view to show you guys exactly the mistake that I did, exactly what happened, and why I lost that huge amount of money in less than 1 minute. That's someone's monthly salary though. That was my monthly salary. So now let's get to my trading view to show you guys what I got there. Let's go. So guys, right now I'm on my trading view and I'm on the GBP USD on the 15 minutes time frame, and now look at what I saw which made me take this buy, which ended up as a stop loss, although market later went up. Well, this was my mistake, sha. It was my mistake actually. Now look, if you look closely at where this line is pointed right here, you see that this candle here was swept by this one, so this acts as a liquidity sweep. So now when I saw this particular stuff, I went down to my entry time frame because I'm watching from the 15 minutes time frame, and my entry time frame should be the 1 minute time frame. And now I went straight to the 1 minute time frame to see my confirmations whether I should hop on the buy, or I should leave it. So this is the setup right there, and if you guys, as you guys can see, right there, if I should check the time range which this market hit my stop loss is, let me check it. Okay, this is actually 5 minutes. I was wrong, I said 1 minute, but losing $40 in 5 minutes is crazy actually. So if you look at this place, this was what I saw, and here you can see market swept this low right here, acting as an inducement. Let's say, so market swept this low. In 1 minute it looks like an inducement, but in 15 minutes it's actually a low sweep. That's a liquidity sweep. So after a liquidity sweep, we wait for market to close above the last high, and then wait for pullback, then we buy. And that's exactly what I did right here. Market swept this low, went up, closed above this recent high, and then pulled back, but it didn't get to my entry. Have you seen what happened? So it didn't get to my entry right here, like almost few pips to my entry. Let's check how many pips to my entry. Let's check how many pips to my entry right here. I should use the price range. You guys see that it's actually around 0.8 pip, not even up to 1 pip, 0.8 pip to my entry, and then market left me and then pushed higher. But look at the mistake that I did. I would have closed my position because it's actually a buy limit that I set. I would have closed this buy limit, but look at what price did. Price came and then took me out. So price took me out. It's actually a 1 to 5.7 hour trade. And now if you should go to the 15 minutes, you see where the magic happened. Let's get back to the 15 minutes. And if you come to the 15 minutes, you see that market used me as an inducement. If you come to the 15-minute time frame, you see that this is actually a valid pullback because the candle swept this low. This is a valid pullback, and then price went up. Then price came, used me as an inducement, tapped on this white origin right there, and then price continued going higher and higher. Have you seen it? So this is the lesson that I learned, which I want you to pick one or two things from it. Okay, lesson that I learned is that I should always wait for because I'm trading 15 minutes to 1 minute. I should always wait for inducement to be taken out on the higher time frame. Then I can confidently place my limit and then forget that I placed limit. But I was actually trading from the lower time frame direction, and that was exactly what happened. So, but thank God I learned from my mistake, and that's the mindset that every trader should have. Learning from your mistakes, and bro, you won't again. So that's it. If you found this video insightful, please do well to leave a like, subscribe and also turn on the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.